Good evening and happy Saturday, everybody. We started off our day with lots of sunshine, a couple of scattered clouds, and then that quickly developed a couple of thunderstorms throughout the region. Right now we are seeing a couple of cells along the coast stretching down almost towards Georgetown, and we're seeing a little bit of some activity out towards Florence, just crossing over I-95 and then heading in that direction. But right now we do have one severe thunderstorm warning. It's still in effect. It was issued right around 5:45 was when they reissued it. There was a warning that went on at 5:30, but that expired, so they renewed it with this one. It was marked for 60-mile-per-hour wind gust as well as quarter-size hail. We were getting some reports of some hail falling throughout the region. Good news is the cell is starting to quickly move off the coast. There's a little bit of a secondary cell starting to push into that warning area, but it's not nearly as strong. But check out all of the lightning strikes associated with this storm. There was a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning, which is considered the most serious because that's the one that actually impacts structures and people and things like that. But definitely as this storm moves through the area, you wanted to be inside. Here's a live look out at Myrtle Beach right now. It was a little bit worse earlier when we were looking at it. Things are starting to calm down because that cell is moving off the coast. We're starting to see a little bit of that rain let up. It's still raining, but it's not as heavy. And you can see all of those raindrops just flying through the air because there's also some pretty strong wind as this cell continues to move out. Big cool down for Myrtle Beach once that storm moves through. Now we're looking at 72 degrees. Rest of the area pretty much in the 80s. 81 for Conway, 87 out towards Florence. Hartsville looking at 86 degrees. Society Hill looking at about 85 right now. Tomorrow is going to be more humid than what we saw. Today our dew points were up to about 71 degrees. Tomorrow it's back up to 73, so we see the return of all of that humidity for the second half of your weekend. Those temperatures are also going to continue to climb for tomorrow afternoon. Future track, we see those storms finally start to fall apart and move further off the coast. By midnight and overnight tonight, we're seeing much clearer and calmer conditions. Starting off your Sunday with beautiful clear skies, a couple of showers tomorrow. Not thunderstorm activity, just really brief, almost sun showers popping up for tomorrow because we do have a little bit of humidity, but most of the region will be seeing just sunshine and a couple of scattered clouds. Similar conditions for your Monday. We're going to be seeing lots of moisture as far as humidity, but the chance for actual thunderstorms pretty low. Beach forecast for tomorrow, UV index is going to be up to about 11, which is considered extreme. Again, we are seeing those rip currents kind of develop throughout the area, so you need a little bit of extra caution. Maybe skip the water for the next couple of days. 68 for Litchfield, 68 also for Florence overnight tonight. Temperatures dropping down to 70 for Myrtle Beach. North Myrtle Beach looking at 84 degrees, 84 for Myrtle's Inlet. Georgetown topping out at 86 for tomorrow. Kingstree about 90, so a little bit of a warm second half to your weekend. Plus, with all that humidity, it's going to be feeling a little bit more uncomfortable. Beach forecast again for the next couple days. We'll continue to see those temperatures climb back up above average. We're going to be seeing more rain and thunderstorms return to the area for the second half of your work week. Those temperatures will gradually start to cool down once that rain moves through, but overall, it is going to be a much nicer start to your work week than what we've been seeing for the past couple of days.
It's always fascinating how quickly those storms can move because we were here outside our studio and it was kind of clear, and we heard 3 miles down the road there were heavy storms, so it's interesting how it can move because now we can hear them.
10 minutes later we're having thunder and all that moved through the area.
You can hear it right now.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brittany. And you can send any photos